In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable way to create a structured meeting note directly inside ClickUp, starting from your inbox and ending with a clean, ready-to-use note in the right place. Begin by opening ClickUp and going to your inbox. This is your central hub for what needs attention across your workspace. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you have access to more than one, so the task lands where your team expects it. Next, move into the space where you want the meeting note to live. You might see a space labeled something like CSV, but yours could be named after a team or project. Click the space name to select it. Think of spaces as the top-level containers that hold your projects and processes. Now, click the small arrow next to the space name to expand it. This reveals the structure underneath, folders and lists, so you can drill down to the exact spot where your meeting notes belong. Expanding is helpful if you manage multiple lists and want to stay organized. Choose the list you'll use for meeting notes by clicking on it. Lists are where your actual tasks live. If your team dedicates a list specifically to meetings, select that one so everything stays consistent and searchable later. Once you're in the list, click Add Task. This opens the task creation panel. Instead of starting from a blank task, we'll use a ready-made option to save time and ensure consistency. Select Meeting. Note. This option sets up a task structured for meetings, making it easier to capture what matters without reinventing the wheel each time. Type in the title. A clear format goes a long way. Consider including the date, the team or client name, and the topic. Something like 2026-03-01, Client Sync, Q2 Planning. This helps with sorting and quick scanning later. Click Add Description and summarize the essentials. Agenda highlights, attendees, key discussion points, decisions, and action items. Keep it concise but complete, so anyone reviewing later can understand the context at a glance. When everything looks good, click Create Meeting Note to save it. If you see a second prompt or confirmation, click Create Meeting Note again to finalize. This ensures your note is created in the correct list with the structure you chose. That's it. You've navigated from inbox to your space, expanded to the right list, added a task using the meeting note option, titled it clearly, added a helpful description, and saved it. With this flow, your meeting notes stay organized, consistent, and easy for your team to act on.